So this is my mixer. I am going to be using this mixer to blend. I leave it inside the refrigerator. That's why it's looking like this. So I am going to slice everything. First, I am going to remove these edges. I'm going to remove all these edges, then I blend. So this is our aloe vera. So let me clear this place. So guys, this is the pot I am going to use, the fry pan. So I have put it on top of gas. So when the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys now is the aloe vera I sliced earlier. So this is my aloe vera, this is my mixer. I'm going to be using my mixer to mix. So when this is my olive oil, this is my olive oil, and this is my bottle to preserve my oil. And I'm going to also be needing vitamin E oil. So this is my vitamin E oil. So now it's time to blend. I'm going to pour my aloe vera here. I wanted to blend it once, but I don't know if it will enter. I'm going to be using my bottle to measure. This thing is also good for skin. In case you want to use it to mix your cream, it's also nice. And I am going to use it on our living condition hair. So that's why you see me making this oil. So I think this is okay. I am going to add it now inside this fry pan. You don't have to wait for the oil to hot because you don't want to fry the stuff. So it's time to add. With a very low heat. So I am going to reduce my gas. I have reduced it. So it's time to stir. I want you people to be seeing it well. So you have to be stirring it so that it will not burn, you know. So this is good for hair growth. It's going to preserve your hair for breaking. So if you haven't tried before, just give it a try. Try it out. You are going to still add some oil because it's not going to be enough. So I am adding more oil, you know. So that is enough. I am also coming back here to make on how to make a carrot oil without frying it on gas, you know. This is how it looks like after cooking, you know. So I want to start sieving, you know. So I have to let it down. Second time. So I have to first remove the oil. Then now it's time to turn it here because there's water under. Vitamin E. So that is enough. So now I am going to preserve it here, to install it here. So if you haven't subscribed, please support me for subscribing, you know. So this is our aloe vera oil. So thank you for watching this video. Bye, stay safe.